Hello everyone, welcome back to another watching. Today I am going to bang out a whole bunch of box openings. I actually have four box openings to do. I've been a little sick lately and falling behind. I actually have a ton of follow-ups to do, but box openings are a little funner. I have two box openings from watchgang. One is my black membership and one is a wheel spin watch, and I have two box openings from Spinnaker. So make sure you check them all out tonight. This one, I'm not sure if this is my watchgang black membership or my wheel spin watch. We're gonna crack this one open. Before I get to that, you'll see that I am wearing my Air Blue Charlie World Time. This actually was a watchgang black membership watch way back when, and I really do like this one. It's one of the nicer watches in my opinion that went out for watchgang, and it's went out a long time ago. Now I added the stainless steel bracelet to this one. It is one of the factory Air Blue bracelets, but I think it really makes the watch. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and see what we got. All right. Sorry, I moved my camera back a little bit. I kept bumping the table and it was bumping the camera. So this is my watchgang black membership, and it is a Charles Hutton. Now, I already felt myself being a little disappointed. A few months back, I had already received a Charles Hutton, and all the ones I've seen go out are quartz, which would make this my fourth month in a row for a quartz watch. So if this is the same model, same quartz, same everything, let's open it up and see what we've got. Well, it is a little bit different style, I believe. Let me pause really. I'm going to pause really quick and grab the Charles Hutton I received a couple months back so we can just look them at side by side. We have, similar subdials, date window. Obviously, the layout's a little different. There's been so many watches since this one, in all honesty. I don't remember all the specs. I'm not sure if this one has the same specs overall. I will say I do like the color combination on this one a little bit better than the one I had received previously. The crown looks a little bit more refined as well. So I'll have to do my usual and do some research on the new one, try and figure out what movement's in it, and then do a follow-up. Looks like we've got a SKU number of 78467-11H. Like I said, I do think this one looks a little bit better than the one I had received previously. Let's go ahead and take a look at it on wrist. There you can see what it looks like on my roughly 7-inch wrist. And looks like I probably need to remove 3 or so links and maybe do some micro adjustments. Overall, not a bad looking piece. Like I said, this is probably my fourth month in a row with a quartz movement. Some of them have been better than others. Kind of bummed. It's been a while since I've had an automatic watch gang. What's going on? So let me know what you guys think of this one in the comments below. Stay tuned. The next watch I'm going to open up will be a watch I received off of watchgang's wheel. I spun the wheel, see what I got. Make sure you guys check in the comments below. I've got promo codes and discounts for Spinnaker and Aviate and Ballast, and there's a lot of good discounts out there. So make sure you check the comments below, click through, save yourself some money. As always, guys, thanks for watching.